Hello there YouTubers, my name's Charlie Chittenden. It is Thursday the 4th of June 2020 and I'm now going to conduct a ghost box session with the intention of attempting to communicate with the spirit of the late YouTube star Steve Cash. I'm also offering private ghost box sessions. If you would like me to attempt to communicate with one of your deceased loved ones or friends, these are available by clicking on the link in the description below or by searching for my name on eBay. Alternatively, if you would like to purchase this particular model of ghost box, which I would highly recommend, you can do so by clicking on the other link in the description. So with that being said, I shall turn on the PSB7 here, which is one of the most popular and most effective ghost boxes on the market. I shall go into reverse sweep and we'll see what we can get. Are there any spirit beings present, please, who could bring forward the spirit of the late American YouTuber Steve Cash, please? Steve Cash, if you speak into this device, I can hear you. Steve Cash was born on November the 14th, 1979 in California, USA. Steve Cash, you had a comedy series called Talking Kitty Cat. Do you have a message for your fans? Steve Cash committed suicide on April the 16th, 2020, aged 40. Steve Cash, you were also in a band called Pause for the Cause. Do you have a message for your wife, Steve? Steve Cash, you have 7 children. Where do you like to spend your time in the afterlife? Okay, I'm going to go now. I'd like to thank you all for your communication, and I mean you all the greatest of respect. Can anybody say goodbye to me, please? Okay, goodbye.